do the 4 new codes genuinely simplify compliance? Because there are, of course, a lot of concerns, as is the case when anything new is introduced. So would you say that maybe in ways this may have merely repackaged complexity, or do you think this has to a large extent simplified compliance?
Were certain overlappings in certain places. Then the IT industry came in much later after the old laws came into existence. So that is why, and the women working in the industries, all these protections, these needs, I think evolved over a period of time. When the problems evolve over a period of time, it becomes necessary for the reforms to come in. That once a reform is introduced in the parliament or suggestions are called for from all the stakeholders, so these discussions take time. And I think after a lot of thought, after a lot of practical approach from both the aspect of the industries as well as the workers, they finally came up with some law consolidating it and simplifying. For industries, simplifying one registration, one license, one return, and other aspects. For laborers and workers, I think to a great extent, a lot of things have been consolidated in terms of their pays, their gratuity, PF, enforcing whatever the laws were there earlier. Now enforcing them practically here, once the laws are simplified into certain codes and smaller codes, it becomes easier to implement. So I hope with these new laws, the implementation should also become better.